Hello everyone, welcome you to Didi's Kitchen with me Deepti Di Costa. This is a very popular dish in Indo-Chinese cuisine. It's one of my personal favorite dish too. Today we are going to make a delicious chili chicken. This is very beautiful dish with lot of spices and flavors, very popular North Indian dish. Let's get started and check out the recipes. To make chili chicken, we require half kilo chicken. Wash it with haldi and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. I have kebab masala powder with me. It is about 3 to 4 tablespoons. You can add it more if you require it. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I have chopped chili as well as curry leaves with me. Add it. Now give a good stir and marinate it for 1 hour in the freezer. After marination of chicken, take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Add 2 to 3 chopped chili. You can slice it or chop it. Add 2 to 3 onion to it. I have chopped my onion. Fry it well till golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And saute it well. Now I have 2 chopped capsicum with me. Add it. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix it well and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Now take a shallow frying pan. Make chicken shallow fry. You can also make deep fry of the chicken that we have marinated for 1 hour. You can see my chicken is so beautifully marinated. Now flip it up. Cook it for 5 minutes in a low flame. You can see our chicken is so beautifully cooked. Now transfer our chicken to a plate and garnish with coriander leaves and add it to our masala. As you can see, I am transferring my chicken to the masala that we have made. Give it a good stir. Keep it in low flame for 5 to 10 minutes to get sauteed. So here is my chili chicken beautifully done. Please like, follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.